He's gonna break the door down? Oh, shit!
You saw something. Start talking.
I ain't saying.
Oh, okay, here you go. Oh my god.
Journal log, February 23rd,
was voice
1984. Who am I?
I'm Batman.
Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself and your cruiser again?
I'm monologuing.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
Oh, he's actually talking to himself?
Look at-
The night before at the Burroughs apartments. Oh.
Storm's really coming down tonight.
Yeah.
Great. I'm not getting any sleep. Might as well make some matcha.
She did not have to deliver that line like that. Oh shit, it's dark as fuck. Freaky ass fucking room. Okay, she a little alternative, girl. She's alternative. Let's make us some matcha. What the fuck? This is wait, hold up, get the light on. Bro, what you got going on in here, girl? What the fuck is this? Now add the matcha. Dirty matcha. Does her t-shirt say mini milk?
I want milk.
Who could that be?
Hello?
Darien Municipal Department, darling.
Cap, hang up the phone.
We'll be shutting off the back.
Tonight? During a thunderstorm?
Already? I just...
Damn, that was quick. Well, I might as well take a shower before the water gets cold.
Bro, don't open the door with the towel, bro. Put something on real quick.
Hello? Who's there?
Bro, you better not. You better not. You better not.
Hello, young lady. Darien Municipal Department. Just need to step inside and check a few things.
You can look tomorrow, when the sun's up.
Yeah.
Oh, ruin the surprise.
What surprise?
Tisk, tisk, tisk. No spoilers,
Oh.
darling. Now if you could kindly open the fucking door.
Fuck off. Nope.
Not a chance in hell, you freak!
If you won't open the door, I'll make my own entrance.
He's gonna break the door down? Oh, shit. Oh, hide.
Oh god.
Get out.
I need to hide, now! The big cabinet in the bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom. The bathroom? You don't got a fire escape? I'm so scared right now. Oh, shit. Oh my fucking god. Look at his hands! I need to make a break for the front door. It's my only chance. Bitch, no! Okay, alright. On three. 1, 2, 3. Go. Run! That's not running! She deserves it. Like, oh! Oh, fuck that. Were you waiting until I was gonna wake up to do that? That's not what you think they are. I swear. It was a gift.
It's time one of them took good care of you, know.
Oh, shit! Fuck. October 13th, 1976.
Carrion City.
Hey, bub. Sleeping on the job?
Hello, Luna.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
What? No, what? That was one time. Never. What? What's up?
Evening, Debbie.
Oh my god, Dick. You're like totally late again.
What?
So, how many degenerates we got locked up tonight?
We do have one creep locked up. He keeps doing something weird over in that corner.
Oh! Oh!
Hey!
Yeah. Alright, Chief. God damn, he looks like shit.
Well, I'll be damned.
That's not what I pictured he sounded like.
Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Knox is your new partner.
No. Oh! Oh!
You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien.
Did he pass out? Oh. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's in order.
Alright, I'll try. I mean, shit.
You're looking a little stiff, Dick. Everything alright?
Just hoping this new partner isn't soft.
Yeah, that nut wrecked the place.
The sexual innuendos in this game are actually insane.
Matcha.
Matcha coffee. Smells old. About 3 hours. Wait. There wasn't blood here. Did he drag her body somewhere?
So, tell me, what's missing here?
Bedroom, sir.
Tell me what else you see.
An old dresser cabinet?
Okay, he is not that fucking stupid. The blood on the fucking floor. Oh shit, Fifi. God damn. Stapled her face to the wall.
Matcha.
Got it. Okay, what now? Investigate carousel projector. Oh, there's slides. Okay. No marked will. Shed their skin to cleanse the city before judgment comes.
Sounds like the ravings of a lunatic or a moron.
Marked, cleanse, judgment. That's religious language. What if he thinks he's chosen? Like he's doing this for a reason?
It's what every nut job grabs onto when they want to feel important. Back to slides. We're done here.
Nothing like a hot dog after a creme scene.
City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
The dank wagon. It's like the pussy wagon. Hello? Hello?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Yeah, sorry for being a few minutes late. Are you calling me on the shitter? Again? Disgusting!
Now holding box of mystery meat. Man, we're probably worse than that guy. We're probably feeding people fucking humans. Oh shit. Oh, look at these quick time events. Oh my god. Hold on, I got this. So aggressive. We're breaking so many health code violations right now. Dude, they're rotten. We can't serve these, man. Look at them. There's mold. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh shit. Who's that? Hey, man. Hey, chill out.
Hey, youngster. Let me get a nice long one and make it snappy.
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I don't think you're gonna want those. They've been sitting out in the rain for like probably overnight. I don't know if you want them, but hey, you strike me as the kind of guy that probably doesn't give a fuck. I heard it. I heard it. Fuck. What the fuck? Okay, what condiments do you want? You want like relish, mustard? Need to add the works. God damn. What kind of hot dog is this? All right, here you go, buddy. That'll be $2. Oh! Oh! Alright, you gotta leave, bro. You gotta leave. What the fuck was that? Get your... No, get over here. Bro, what the fuck was that? Yeah, I was like, whoop. Why does everybody run like that? Oh, God.
I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener.
Alright, here you go. One more hot dog. You better not. Oh! Oh! What the fuck is this job? I can't handle another customer, please. We're closed. We're closed. This is a normal guy. Never mind. I see who it is. You want a hot dog?
It seems I'm a little low on supplies.
Do you happen to carry any staples?
I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Alright, I'm about ready for my break. Can I go on break? Can I go on break? What the fuck is this guy?
Don't tell anyone you saw me here. Give me the thickest one you got.
There you go. Take it. What the fuck? Is that a normal person? That looks like a normal person. Are you normal? Oh, she more than normal. Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
What's up, mama?
Hexy.
Oh.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than.
Oh, I didn't even see him. He's right there.
I wanna know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
Yeah, kill me, you know.
Have a good
slay. Oh no. Hey, all I'm saying is you clearly got an eye for her, so like you can leave me the fuck alone. That's the competition over there. Fuck that gas station. Oh fuck. Oh!
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
It seems you're all
How'd you do that?
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but is no longer here. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Wait, what did you do? No. You didn't even eat one of the hot dogs. You brought that shit here. No, I need to go clean up on aisle fucking bathroom. Come on. Oh! Buddy, you're just like splashing water everywhere. You don't need to.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Ew, bro, what are you doing?
Huh? What is that sound?
What's going on? Wait, did I just fucking die? Like, it's such an explosive shit. Oh, we're the chick now. Damn, we're just playing as like all the victims, man. Hey, wake up! What is that? Okay.
Let me nuke this cup of nudies and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Tight shit. Where's the microwave?
I'll
Boom.
come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Luke.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for you scaring me.
Yeah, but if I didn't scare you, then we wouldn't be even.
There are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized. Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Alright, we got this. Fucking hell! Oh shit! Dude, that's like a freaking shotgun.
Holy I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Yeah, dude, look what you were doing to that shit. Like, no wonder.
I better-
Oh, it's not like, oh, I thought she was gonna do it like the manual way. I didn't know that this is how they do it. Oh, fuck. What the fuck do you want?
I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Is that the broken one? Wait, that's the broken one, isn't it? Isn't that the broken one? I don't see you bowling, motherfucker. Is this really how you do it? God damn, that took forever for just one. I gotta do 3 of these bitches? Oh, fuck off, bro. Why? Why aren't you saying anything either? You're just... He's right behind me, isn't he?
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Okay, we got a weapon in our hands. We can technically spray that motherfucker. Oh no, he's wearing glasses though. Alright, what now? We're done with our tasks.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
I don't care. I'm hungry. Let's go get our cup of noodles.
What?
He's in the office, bro.
I'll eat this back at the register.
No fork? Ah! Fuck! Fuck, dude. Fuck. No, not her, bro. I actually liked her. She's the best voice actor so far. Fuck.
What happened?
Noodles. Get me out of here. Oh, it smells so good.
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp? You're supposed to be in my belly.
You gotta get me out of here, Shrimp.
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
I think I'm paralyzed. I can't, Shrimp.
Oh, you're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Oh, fuck.
Mr. Shrimp. Call.
Oh no, he's gone. Oh god. Fuck, dude. Yo! Oh.
Who's this punk?
Oh, he's alive!
He's the one who called this in. Came to check on his friend Blair. She works here.
Wait, aren't you Dick Slater? I'm not talking to this maniac.
How do you know about me?
Start talking.
I ain't saying sh.
Oh! Oh, shit!
No.
Oh, we're beating his ass?
Oh!
Wrong answer!
Keep hounding him, Dick. I'm learning things about myself.
Hey, look at this. You seen this guy before?
Start talking.
Alright. Just stop hitting me, man. Came in looking for staples or whatever. He was acting strange. I'm pretty sure that freak rigged the toilet. Ugh, that's why I'm covered in shit.
That's enough. Roxy, take this punk downtown and book him.
You got it, Slater. Don't worry, sweetie. We'll get you cleaned up one way or another.
Bro, he turned her into a fucking table. Oh, no, I thought... Oh, okay, never mind. I thought he turned her into the table. Oh, fuck me. Okay, I'm gonna take a guess. It's the face one. Yep, I was right. I don't want to go through all these pieces of skin, man. Well... Okay, then. Sorry, Claire.
What did you find?
Body of a young female, completely skinned. I assume it's the body of the employee, Blair.
Nice work, kid. Let's keep looking around and see what we can find.
Yup. Where's my gumball? Cassette tape. Come.
There's a busted tape inside. Label says, come.
We got a real poet on our hands. I have a feeling this isn't the last tape we'll find.
Wait, Luna's cream-filled donut holes.
I should really question why this is my life, but hey, it pays the bills. One good donut can fix anything. Keep them simple, keep them hot, and most importantly, keep them cream-filled.
Tell that to Blair.
Let's get to work. Oh, I need to open the park.
Is that queso? No way! No way! The case hole. Wow. Oh my god, not this fucking guy. Is it the same guy?
Fill this old timer up with something warm and creamy, would ya?
Yeah, it's that fucking guy again. Damn, I thought you just had a hot dog. You still hungry? Where do I get the dough? What the hell is that? Nah, bro. This is like moon cream. Okay, so she be doing some crazy ritualistic shit to these donuts. Damn. This shit is going everywhere. Okay, here you go. Oh my god. Sold out of everything, bro. We only got one thing on the fucking menu. Oh, besides the queso. Queso. Why do we have this in here? These will be prosecuted with the guillotine. Who is that back there? Oh, fuck. You scared me, girl.
You're a lifesaver. I'm gonna head back to the shop. I'll see you later, Luna.
See
Be
ya.
careful out there. I'll stop by after I close up and rent something spooky.
Are you gonna leave me now? Alright, here you go. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Type shit. Who's that? Is that our boy? Oh, it's the fucking police chief.
Well, well, well. Welcome back, Chief. What is this? The 5th time tonight?
You know I can't get enough of your cream, Luna.
Is, did he get bigger?
You know what I want. Give me the case hole.
You're not serious, are you, Chief? The last person who tried one almost buckled from the sheer size. All right, but it's your funeral, Chief.
Somebody actually ordered it. Okay. Holy shit!